Located on a stepped site in Sydney's inner west, this new home seeks to adopt clarity and simplicity in response to its complex site. The design and materiality of each reflect the program within. At the lower level, a tactile new brick structure addresses the street, balancing its contradictory roles of security and entry. Primary accommodation sits above an elevated ground floor, with fully retractable glazing opening to both the front and rear, allowing primary living spaces to spill seamlessly out and enjoy all the benefits of indoor-outdoor living in the temperate climate. Above this, a more private, screened upper-level house bedrooms and projects forward to frame previously unseen views of the CBD and shade glazing below. Centrally, a double-height dining space with a fully retractable roof light above opens to the sky, bringing daylight deep into the heart of the home whilst capturing further the diurnal cycle and encouraging the use of natural ventilation over mechanical. Upon arrival, a gentle glow emanates from gaps formed in the brickwork at the lowest level, greeting visitors and residents alike. Welcome home. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.